Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over how to fix like the issue where you're not able to connect to like online servers for Call of Duty. So you're not able to get into like a Call of Duty online match. And let's get started. So the first thing that you guys can do is simply close the application, close Call of Duty, and then start to open the game back up, check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can do is restart your PlayStation 5 or Xbox or PC, whatever you're on. And the third thing that you guys can do is make sure that you have your system software has been updated. So go over to settings, go over to system, click on system software, and then system software update and settings, and then here make sure that your thing is up to date. If it is up to date, then you guys should be good to go. The third method you guys can do is simply reboot your Wi-Fi router. So just unplug the power cord for about 30 seconds, and then after the 30 seconds are over, go ahead and plug it back in, and then open up your PlayStation, turn it on and check to see if that fixes the issue, and that will most likely fix the issue. So that is it for the videos. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.